Salas. I see the new plantings in the community park. What's the goal behind them?
Thanks, Saro. We're trying to enhance biodiversity in the park. By planting native species, we're trying to create local wildlife to we're creating habitat for local wildlife.
What's biodiversity?
Biodiversity is the variety of different plants, animals, and microorganisms that lives in an ecosystem. It's essential in maintaining our natural ecosystem.
Exactly. And by promoting biodiversity, we're supporting the entire food chain. Plus, it makes the park more beautiful and enjoyable for everyone.
That makes sense. How can I help?
You can start by planting native species in your own garden or yard. Even a small herb garden or a few pots on your balcony can make a difference.
And you can also participate in our community events like tree planting wildlife survey.
Count me in. Where do I sign up?
I'll give you flyers with all details.
Welcome to the biodiversity team, Balmora.